Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm gonna show you one of the interesting feature in Haval H6 where you can use your steering wheel custom button to play your favorite music station. I have also covered small portion in my steering controls video, but this is the detailed video for the same feature. First thing you would need to do here to customize this custom button to play your favorite stations. How can you do that? You need to go back to your infotainment screen here, go to home, settings, system settings, and then steering wheel key. Here you can see the first one is play favorite station. So once you select here, the custom button will work as it says. There are two ways in Haval H6 where you can save your favorite stations. So first one, to press this heart sign and it will save it in the list. Now if I go to the next station here, 106.7, now I'm going to press heart here and it can see it is here third favorite stations. Now if I go to the next stations, so now it's 107.5, you can just press here, long hold, and then it gets selected here in the list. Now you can use this custom button to play your favorite. Now there are 4 favorites here in your list. So when I press this button, I'm going to press it and you can see it goes to the number 1. So and if you press again, doesn't work anything. So it always goes to your top 1. Now if I just unselect it as my favorite, and now if I press again, so it goes to the second top. So you can see that. So it goes to second top. Now if I unselect it as my favorite, and now I'm gonna press again here, and you can see it goes to the third favorite. So what is the conclusion here? So whatever is on top, that will be your favorite stations. So if there is nothing on 1, 2, 3, then your fourth becomes favorite stations. And if you go back, save this as your favorite here, you can see, so 105.9, and if I want to press here, press this, let's place this, and I now press this button here, and you can see it will go back to your 105.9. so that's your top favorite station. So the custom button will always go to the top favorite station in this list. I saw a number of posts regarding this query, so I thought to post this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and if you have any questions, please do ask. Thank you very much.